Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the Smash That Small Paper Pad collaboration hosted by Deb Hoax Crafty Cottage here on YouTube. Everyone that's participating will be in the description box. Please click on it and see what they have created. I'm sure it's something amazing. I want to share with you what I use and then I'll share with you the projects. I use this K and Company ephemera. I only use like one piece out here, but I tend to kind of combine all of my ephemera pieces together, and I use these little flowers. I like those flowers a lot. The one thing about the flowers is one is treated and one is not. So you get two of each, but one is like has like gloss and or glitter, and then the other one is just plain Jane, which is fine. I use this because I thought, and I'll show you why I use this. The paper pad itself I thought was calling these colors as well as this. I was going to use a K and Company paper pad, but I was like, no, let's not, because I am working on another project, but I didn't finish in time. So this is like okay, let's get this done the morning of. And this, I use this paper pad. It's Park Lane, and it had 12 sheets. And it's some beautiful paper, in my opinion. I only have this pattern left, and this pattern left. So I use the yellow and the blue, and these are like wallpaper or the match. You can layer these on, and this paper is very, very thick. It's not like flimsy paper. So I decided to use tape versus glue to glue the card down, because I didn't want the card to like bow this card base, and I just used some decorative card bases. I think this is American Crafts, and you can see it's super flimsy. So I decided not to bow the card base because the card front was so strong. This is what I created. I just took one flower and I glued it down, and then I just used this sentiment, and this is a Stampin' Up! Sentiment: with friendly thoughts and best wishes today and every day. And I thought, oh, I can give you some flowers and you can have this sentiment, right? And I use these little gemstones. Did I say I use these gems? These are Crafter's Companion. Yeah, I did. I think I said that. And I feel like these colors, except for like two, you'll see this one and another one, the colors go well with the flowers that I chose. But these little pink stamens can be pulled in. And this is, I didn't glue it down, so I just didn't glue that part in. Then we have this one right here. They're all blank on the inside. I like this one. So this is another piece from the ephemera, and I feel like this flower was kind of naked. If I wouldn't have put this, it would have been all yellow, and I decided not to put any of the gemstones around it because I was using pink and purple, pink, light purple, and green. So I just pulled these green to go with the leaves on there. And then this one has the gloss, the gel, or glitter, whatever they use to treat it, so you can see it, versus this one. Yeah, the birds are chirping. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And then I used another piece from the other ephemera, and I just chose not to put anything on here like I did the other sentiments. And you can see that this is just a little flower, and they all have the same sentiment. It's the same card with different flowers, basically. And this thing was ginormous, and I think I wanted to put this on a blue back, but I was okay, it's not that much yellow, but you can see like these kind of fade in. But if you look at it, like if you're looking at it with your hand, it doesn't. And then I just chose to do those. I know people say odd numbers are better, but if I'm putting these on here, like around the corners, I usually do 2 or 1 or 4. I really don't do 3. I don't know. So, yeah. And then this one, it still says the same thing. And I used a Stampin' Up! Punch. You know, this is like my go-to punch, one of my favorite. And I got that in a D-stash a while back, I believe. So these are all of I used 6 sheets out of that 12 little sheet pad. And I like that. It was just quick. You know, you could just make a quick card and be done with it. So I want to say thank you all for watching. I hope that you'll click on the description box and see what the other people in collaboration have made. Until next time, happy crafting.